I'm gonna start taking this thing apart again. Third weekend in a row almost. Skipped a weekend last week and I didn't work on it, but so I just removed the strut tower brace or whatever that thing is called. It goes from here to here. I just removed that. I'm gonna be working on removing intake manifold, injectors, and
E85.
Gonna be swapping the car over to E85. I'm gonna put another throttle body. This motherfucker. So I'm gonna be going with a EVO 3 intake manifold, first generation Eclipse throttle body for better airflow. And what else? Oh, bigger injectors for E85. Right now I have FIC 950s injectors. I'm gonna be going with the 1250s, I believe. And what else? We're gonna have to retune the car, because obviously it's gonna be running a different fuel. In the process, oh, one last thing. I'm gonna be getting rid of this crap. I'm still running the stock math. I'm a little sick, so my voice is all fucked up. I'm gonna be going speed density since we're gonna be doing all this crap over here. I already have this sensor here. We need to run some wires and connect it to the ECU. Getting rid of this sensor here, the MDP sensor, and we're gonna be putting this thing running on speed density. And yeah, so now to continue taking all of this thing apart. Okay, so I got the fuel rail and the injectors are out. I already started unplugging all the sensors. These are the injectors. This is the MDP sensor, TPS, the position sensor over here, and so on and so forth. I'll be unplug the spark plugs from the coil pack. Spark plug wires from the coil pack. Now I need to start taking out the actual.
Get to work.
I fucking keep bitching. I need to start taking out the intake manifold now. Okay, little update. Finally got most of it apart already. Fuel rail sitting up here. We got all the nuts and bolts that hold the intake manifold to the head off already. So this is loose already. See? It's loose, ready to come off. Unplug the wiring harness. Here are all the sensors, wiring harness here. Throttle bodies over there. Intercooler, upper intercooler pipe elbow over there. Next step, remove intake manifold. What else? And I'm gonna be, that's my friend's music. I don't fucking know what he listens to. I'm gonna be using this. Thank God, Jesus. Okay. EVO 3 intake manifold, as I mentioned earlier, ported. I ported this intake manifold. Came with the coil pack bracket. These things are sought after. They're hard to find from what I hear. But when I bought it, mine came with it, so thank God I don't have to worry about that. And yeah. Next step, I'm gonna start taking this thing off. Okay, little recap of what's been done. Finally, we got the EVO 3 intake manifold on, 1G throttle body. Thank God the EVO 3 intake manifold came with the freaking coil pack bracket. Now we're also got FIC 1250 injectors on here for E85 purposes. We need to reconnect some of these sensors. I'm running the wiring harness underneath the intake manifold since we're here. I'm trying to tuck some of all the sensors and the wires to just simplify or make it look a little prettier, I guess. I mean, this is just a I mean, I'm not going too much in that. The proper way to do a wire tuck would be to either shorten or lengthen wires, whatever. I'm just trying to hide things over the surface type thing. Just trying to hide a little bit, clean it up a little bit, not going into much detail. But since I'm here, whatever. Still need to connect I have here speed density setup that I'm gonna be running. It's a plug and play that my friend made for me. So I need to get that. Here's the sensor, and I need to find the other plug, and I'm gonna be running, instead of this manual boost controller here, it's kind of finicky and I don't like dealing with more boost, less boost, and whatever. I'm gonna be running an electronic boost controller off the ECU. This guy's so fucking good. Oh man. So yeah. Alright, everything's assembled. Now we're gonna join everything's assembled. I relocated this crap that was hanging out over here, just loose. Put it here, so yeah, because it's secure now. Now we're getting ready to drain the 93 octane gas. We're gonna be using this off the fuel filter here, right here, onto this, and then we're gonna be putting E85 in the car, swapping it over. It's already on speed density. The plug is already connected there, and I'm gonna be running an electric boost controller as well. I have a boost solenoid down there. Got rid of the manual boost controller that I had. I don't know where I left it. There's shit everywhere. But anyways, getting ready to join this. Here comes all the fuel.